In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deal in Pipedrive. Managing your deals effectively is crucial for sales success. Occasionally, you might find yourself needing to remove a deal that's no longer relevant or was created by mistake. Whatever your reason, Pipedrive makes it easy to keep your pipeline clean and up to date. Let's walk through the process together. Once you're logged into your Pipedrive account, your next move is to locate the Deals section. You can find this either on the dashboard, which is the main hub of your activities, or in the main navigation menu. Clicking on Deals will transport you to the heart of your sales operations, where all your current deals are listed. Think of this as your sales battlefield, where all the action takes place. It's a dynamic space designed to give you a visual insight into what's happening. Now, once you're in the Deals section, it's time to pinpoint the specific deal you wish to delete. Fortunately, Pipedrive's interface is user-friendly, so spotting your deal should be straightforward. Take a moment to scan through the list, and when you've found the deal in question, here's where a bit of finesse comes into play. You'll need to click on your deal and then drag it all the way down to the Delete section. It's a simple yet decisive gesture that signifies you're ready to part ways with that particular deal. Now, you might notice that even after dragging the deal to the Delete section, it's still hanging around. That's because Pipedrive wants to ensure you're absolutely sure about this decision. So, it'll ask you to confirm your action. Look for the Delete Deal button, which should now be prominently visible, and give it a click. This is your last checkpoint. Take a moment to double-check that this is precisely what you want to do. If your mind's made up, click on Delete Deal once more to confirm your action. And just like that, the deal will be removed from your pipeline. It's a process that's both intuitive and straightforward, yet final. A couple of tips to keep in mind as you go through this process. Always double-check before deleting anything. Once a deal is gone, retrieving it might not be straightforward, possibly even impossible depending on your settings. Furthermore, use this function sparingly. The goal of Pipedrive is to help you manage and close deals, not to discard them lightly. However, should the need arise, you now know exactly what to do. And there you have it, a clean and efficient way to manage your pipeline by removing deals that no longer serve your business goals in Pipedrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back in for more tutorials on mastering your sales processes and making the most out of your CRM software.